Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover Vogue. From any screen, I don't know if you're in audio or whatever. Just wait for that to clear. You can either go to phone here, or you can go to home menu. If you go to home menu, it's showing there, please connect to phone. Well, there's no phone connected at the moment and I want to delete one, so we'll just click on there and you'll see there Barry's iPhone, that's highlighted and there's delete next to it. So click delete, delete Barry's iPhone, yes, and that's it gone.